Hey, this is Jeremy Stuart, CalBRE. We just sold the building right here at 245 South Market Street. It's actually about 9,000 square feet. It has a 5,000 square feet on the bottom, and it has a 4,000 square foot mezzanine. We sold it for $1.525 million just a few weeks ago here in the city of Inglewood. And as you'll see, they're already doing some big changes to the outside, and then it's really changing the block. So let's go inside and take a look and see how it's coming along. Hey, this is Jeremy. So you can see like they're redoing the inside right here, making Market Street a better place, making Inglewood a better place, and basically greater LA. So if you're interested in doing some big things, buying a commercial building, like I said, this just sold for $1.5 million. Big Wave Realty.